You don't need a big kitchen to get the expensive look. Yes, it would be nice, obviously, but lack of footprint should not be the reason why you cannot have an expensive, high-end, designer-style looking kitchen. Today, I'm sharing multiple ways to bring the luxe factor in a small kitchen. Some of these methods are so easy you can execute them in a day and enjoy the after. Let's begin. Lighting plays a huge role in the overall ambience of a room. It is the key to achieving a designer look in your home. Add a string of renter-friendly lights under your kitchen cabinets. These will instantly elevate the look of your kitchen, providing both functional task lighting and a stylish aesthetic to the small room. Organizing your kitchen drawers and shelves is a great way to make the kitchen look cleaner and nicer. Especially for a small kitchen, functionality becomes even more important. You can organize the drawers, spices, coffee and tea station, and more. Regardless of a kitchen size, a cluttered countertop always undermines a good design. Find smart storage solutions to organize the clutter and make your small kitchen look more inviting. Placing a runner rug in your kitchen is a surefire way to add a touch of luxury. This is also my favorite decor element for any kitchen. Once your countertop is decluttered, you'll have a blank canvas to decorate. You can start by transferring oils and vinegars into stylish glass bottles, rejarring salt and pepper into elegant brass mills, placing a utensil holder for your spatulas. Are you loving these tips yet? I've got 12 more ideas for decorating small kitchens. Head to the blog now. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.